Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a customized Google Gem built in Google Gemini. Let's get started. This customized Google Gem is called International Languages Vocabulary Curator. It is suitable to students who is learning second language, such as Chinese or Japanese or French, or any language of your choice. Once you type in the shared address, once you type in the address to this Google Gem, you can see the main page of this customized Google Gem. In the chat area, you can start your conversation. Let's say hi. This gem will then greet you with a short introduction of what this tool is. Here says, welcome, I'm your multilingual vocabulary curator. Before we begin building your personalized list, please tell me that what language you would like to study. Okay, so now let me select Chinese. This customized Google Gem assumes that you have already know some basic language that you're learning. Based on the vocabulary that you already know, this gem will then build on the existing vocabulary that you have and then create new learning materials according to the new vocabulary that you provided each time when you come back to this chat. In this conversation, it says, now please input the very first set of words or phrases you have learned in Chinese and want to commit to your list. For example, you could start with a greeting or a simple noun. Now I'm going to go ahead and look for a list. So I found this list, and I think these words can best represent my knowledge. And I'm going to paste all the list over here. Now it says your target language is set to traditional Chinese. Actually, I changed it to traditional Chinese because I wanted to show traditional characters. Let's continue building your vocabulary. What would you like to do next? So I would say practice. Add new words, have some practice, write a story, generate a review list. In this case, I want to do some practice. Now you can see that this gem just created some practice sentences with pinyin and English translation. Let's say that in the new lesson, new class, I have learned 5 more words. Now it says that these 5 new words are added to my existing list. I want to have some new practice again. Now you can see that the practice sentence actually focus on the new words I just added. Let's say I have finished today's learning. I'm just going to type in I have finished my learning. This gem will then generate a personalized vocabulary list for you, which you can export to Google Sheets with the new vocabulary that you recently added at the bottom. Let's say a day after you came back and you want to have some practice, you can just simply type, hi. You can practice again. Now let's say that Today I have learned two more words. All right, then I want to do some practice based on the new words I just added. And then again, the gym is now giving you the new practice focus on the new words you just added. This tool applies to the zone of proximal development by serving as a more knowledgeable other, offering dynamic scaffolding that is adjusted based on your performance. This keeps the task challenging but achievable, accelerating your learning until you can perform the skill independently.